Hey y'all. All right, I'm checking over my days to make sure how many weeks are in February. And well, yeah, welcome back to another rendition of I Cannot Lay Down a Sticker Straight for Nothing. This one is from Plan Ahead Printables. It is one of her printable Hobonichis because, like I said, in 2023, I want to do all printable hobos for my catch-all. And I like the Plan Ahead printables have two bottom washi. So I like to put the journaling one in the front of the month. And then I put the deco one on the month itself because that's just stinking adorable. There's the sidebar. I'm putting down these, but I like a Monday start. So I have to do a little surgery here. Gotta have some surgery done because, yeah, there we go. That's so much better. I personally like a Monday start, and I wish that they'd either give you the option or just give you the days and let you put them on the little strip of washi yourself. I like these little tiny pieces of washi, so I'm putting them down in between the weeks just for a little more decoration. They're super cute. And then we're going to do the other side. One of these did not cut well, but that is because of the blade. Has nothing to do with the kit itself. It's my blade. Sorry. Alright, so now we're going to put down the deco. I mean, is that not cute? It's all Mickey heads. How could you not love it? How could you not? Especially if your father's name is Mickey, like mine. So now I'm going to put down the date dots. Let's see if I mess up. Let's see if I mess up. Oh, come on. So put down the first week. And then I want that right there. I want a deco box. And that is actually Valentine's Day, which was my Uncle Ricky's birthday. I must have cheated. I looked to see what the week started with. Wrong place. Not the place I wanted. Nope, nope. There you go. Over there. Over there where all the boxes are going to not have dates. Oh. So there are 28 days, so I only need 2 of those boxes in that bottom week. I put the mini deco box over there, so I got to put Mickey across from her, because, you know, that's a thing. Now we're going to lay down these dates. Yep. Oh, I did that great. Man, I did it backwards. Woohoo. I really hope y'all don't hear my dad, who can hack up a lung any minute. He's not well. Minus sinuses. His, you know, he says he feels better. I don't know about that. So these little stickers right here helped me hold down that piece of washi. Now I'm going to put down the paydays. I really need more paydays. I get paid once a month from my retirement check. I get paid weekly from this job that I have that I absolutely love. And then I get paid once a month also from a little side job that I have. So there you go. All right. Didn't take long at all to get a monthly done. Monthlies are super easy. And this one is super, super cute. I took out one sheet because I only have 4 weeks, not 5. So I'm putting that in the back. All right. There you go. So we have the month of February started. And that's Valentine's Day. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.